MightyFly is completely disrupting logistics by combining economies of scale with autonomy, making fast, affordable, and carbon-neutral cargo accessible to all businesses and all domains, said Manal Habib, co-founder and CEO of MightyFly. MightyFly is the only female-led drone company to design and manufacture its own drones to operate logistics services. For me, aerospace is more than a profession, it's a passion and a way to change lives for the better. Since I was a kid, I've dreamed of the possibilities of advancing human civilization through the power of flight. Today, I'm making it happen, she said. The MightyFly MF-100 is a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft with a cargo capacity of 100 pounds, a top speed of 150 miles per hour, and a range of 600 miles. It's about the size of a mid-size car. It weighs 500 pounds. A larger aircraft with cargo capacity is planned. MightyFly aircraft are capable of making multiple deliveries during the same flight. MightyFly's range and payload are unparalleled in today's expedited delivery space. Most current delivery platforms carry much lighter loads over much shorter distances. As many traditional carriers slowly move toward carbon-neutral and autonomous delivery, MightyFly is ready to take off. Safety is a top priority at MightyFly. The aircraft are built to the same standards as every commercial aircraft in the sky and are designed for dual redundancy across all systems, with better fault tolerance than even manned systems. MightyFly aircraft will broadcast automatic dependent surveillance broadcast, ADS-B in and out, and will be in communication with unmanned aircraft system traffic management, UTM, and MightyFly's own tower. Each MightyFly flight is monitored 24/7 by a human remote operator. The MightyFly MF-100 has received a special airworthiness certificate from the FAA and is undergoing test flights in California. The company is looking to achieve FAA Part 135 certification and airworthiness certificates in other markets such as Australia and Asia.